Very good afternoon, dear students. Today we are discussing about exercise 1.4 3 marks question. See the first question. What we are asking, without actual expansion means without expansion, to prove that this determinant we have to prove that a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. How to prove that this determinant is equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Observe left hand side, any particular row or any particular column, all the elements are 1 is there. All the elements are 1 is there. Any two ones to prove that zeros. Any two ones prove that 0. That's why first row all the elements are 1 is there. That's why we should prove that any two ones are prove that zeros. After that, whenever you have to prove that two ones are zeros, after that we should apply the determinant condition. Finally we get the answer. See the dear student solution. So given LHS part 1 1 1 B C A B square C square A square. So now first row all the elements are 1 is there. That's why any two ones prove that 0. That's why I am proving this one 0, this one 0. So how to prove this one 0? Take with your pop first column. That's why C2 changes to C2 minus C1, C3 changes to C3 minus C1. Don't take with your pop column 2 because of column 2 also changing now at a time. How to take with your pop for column 2? That's why column 2 changes to column 2 minus column 1. Column 3 changes to column 3 minus column 1. We should apply this condition. Dear students, horizontal elements it is called row, vertical elements it is called column. So horizontal elements it is called row. This is first row, this is second row, this is third row. Vertical element it is called column. This is first column, this is second column, this is third column. Now we should apply this condition. Which column only change? Second column and third column only changes, but first column does not change. That's why first column I writing as it is all the elements. Next, second column changes to second column minus first column. That's why second column element minus first column. So 1 minus 1 C minus B, C square minus B square. Next to column 3 changes to column 3 minus column 1. 1 minus 1 A minus B, A square minus B square. So after that applying the condition, simplify this one. 1 minus 1 value is 0. 1 minus 1 value is 0. B C minus B, A minus B. So B square. C square minus B square can be written as C minus B into C plus B. C square minus B square can be written as C minus B into C plus B. A square minus B square condition can be written as A minus B into A plus B. So you should write separately. So 0 A minus B into A plus B. Dear students, don't confuse here. C square minus B square. A square minus B square form is A minus B into A plus B. Like that form apply here. C square minus B square can be written as C minus B into C plus B. A square minus B square can be written as A minus B into A plus B. Observe dear students, first column, what is the common elements are here? C minus B is the common element. Observe the third column also, what is the common elements here? A minus B. That's why taking common elements outside. Taking common C minus B in column 2 and A minus B in column 3. Dear students, in second column C minus B taking common and third column A minus B taking common outside. So taking common outside. So one is the C minus B taking common outside. One more is a minus b taking common outside. So 1 b square. Now second column taking common c minus b. What is the left of the element here? 1 here. What is the left of the element? C plus b. So c minus b common, left of the element is 1. C minus b common outside, left of the element is c plus b. Next, third column, what is the common element here? A minus b, a minus b common outside, left of the element is 1. Here a plus b. So now c minus b, a minus b. Now you should apply the determinant condition. Starting only I explained whenever determinant of 3 by 3 matrix is there, top to consider plus, minus, plus, plus, minus, plus. After that, what is the first element here? 1. Okay, close bracket. Which element you are taking, the particular row, that particular column eliminated, you should write as determinant of left of the elements. After that, you should apply the cross multiplication method. Directly I am writing here cross multiplication method. 1 into a plus b minus c plus b into 1 is c plus b. Next, symbol is negative, element is 0, minus 0. 0 is present in the first row and the second columns are eliminated. Left of the elements are b1, b square, a plus. After that, you should apply the cross multiplication method. b into a plus b minus b square into 1 means b square only. Next, third element symbol is plus, element is 0, plus 0. So now plus 0 present in the first row, third columns are eliminated, left of the elements are b1, b square, c plus. Not the should apply cross multiplication method. b into c plus b, b into c plus b minus b square into 1 is b square. Now simplify this one. C minus b, a minus b, 1 into a plus b. So product with negative, negative into plus is the minus c, minus into plus minus b. 0 into anything value is 0, 0 into anything value is 0. Now minus b plus b get cancelled. C minus b, a minus b. So now left of the element is a minus c. A minus c 1 into 1 is a minus c. Finally, we got the RHS condition. This is the solution for this question here, friends. Very simple. First, you should apply the condition. After that, take common. After that, you should apply the determinant condition. I think you understand this condition very easy. So now, plus 1 you are taking that particular row, that particular column is eliminated. Left of the elements are 1 1 c plus, like that, 1 1 c plus b, a plus b. After that, we should apply the cross multiplication. That's why directly 1 into a plus b minus c plus b into 1 is c plus b. After that, symbol is negative 0. Left of the method b1, b square, a plus b. You should apply the cross multiplication method. b into a plus b minus 1 into b square, like that. Okay, dear students, I think everyone understanding the solution this question, dear students. Don't confusion, very easy. First, in the given question left hand side, any particular row, any particular column, all the elements are 1 is there. You need 2 ones to prove that 0. After that, what are the common elements we are taking outside? After that, you should apply the determinant condition. I think everyone understanding the first question. Next, we are discussing about the second question. See the dear students, second question also same thing only, but elements are different places. See the second question. Second question also same thing only. We are doing column operation, but second question we are taking row operation. See the dear students, second question. Without expansion, to show that 1 1 1 a plus b, b plus c, c plus a square plus b square, b square plus c square, c square plus a square, is equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. So this one also without actual expansion, to prove that this determinant value is equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. First of all, we have to observe that left hand side any particular row, any particular column, all elements are one is there. First column, all the elements are one is there. Any two ones prove that 0. Any two ones prove that 0. We have to prove that this one 0 can take with the help of first row. This one you have to prove that 0 take with the help of first row. So see the solution here, friends. Same thing only. 1 a plus b, a square plus b square 1, b plus c, b square plus c square 1, c plus a, c square plus a square. Now all the first column, all elements are 1 is there. That's why I am proving this one 0, this one 0. Take with the help of first row. That's why R2 changes to R2 minus R1, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Now apply the condition. First row does not change, that's why I am writing as this all the elements a plus b, a square plus b square. Now second row changes to second row element minus first row element. 1 minus 1, b plus c minus of a plus b, b square plus c square minus of a square plus b square. Third row changes to third row minus first row. 1 minus 1, c plus a minus of a plus b, c square plus a square minus of a square plus b square. After applying the condition, simplify this one. 1 a plus b, a square plus b square. 1 minus 1 value is 0, remaining the negative here. Minus a minus b, b square plus c square, multiply with negative, you get the value is minus a square minus b square. 1 minus 1 value is 0, c plus a multiply with negative, minus a minus b, c square plus a square, product with negative, you get the value is minus a square minus b square. So after simplification, so we should find the one more step. 1 a plus b, a square plus b square 0. Now minus b plus b get cancelled. Left of the value is c minus a. So left of the value is c minus a. Next minus b square plus b square get cancelled. Left of the value is c square minus a square. See the third row, minus a plus a get cancelled, left of the value is c minus b, c minus b. Next here, minus a square plus a square get cancelled, left of the value is c square minus b square. After that, 1 a plus b, a square plus b square 0. C minus a, c square minus a square can be written as c minus a into c plus a. Next 0, c minus c square minus b square can be written as c minus b into c plus b. Observe here students, second row taking common is c minus a, third row taking common is c minus b. Taking common outside, taking common c minus a in second row and c minus b in third row. So third take common outside. So now taking common one is a c minus a, another one is a c minus b. So 1 a plus b, a square plus b square 0. C minus a taking common outside, left of the elements are 1. C minus a taking common outside, left of the elements is c plus a. Next third column, not third column, third row, c C minus B taking common left of there is here 1. Here is C plus B. Now after taking common, we should apply the determinant condition. Determinant of 3 by 3 condition is that top to consider plus negative plus. We should apply that condition. So what is the common elements here? C minus A into C minus B. Correct. Now what is the first one here? 1. 1 present in the first row, first columns are eliminated. We should write determinant of left of the elements. After we should apply the cross multiplication method. So 1 into C plus B, C plus B. 1 into C plus B, C plus B minus 1 into C plus A is C plus A. Next to minus. Second symbol is negative. Element is A plus B. A plus B. So now A plus B present in the first row, second columns are eliminated. We should cross multiply with the left of the elements. 0 into C plus B, 0 minus 0 into C plus A where is 0. Next, third element symbol is plus. Elements are A square plus B square. A square plus B square. A square plus B square present in the first row, third columns are eliminated. We should cross multiply with the left of the elements. 0 into 1 is 0, minus 0 into 1 is 0. So finally we get 0 minus 0. Simplify this one. C minus A into C minus B, 1 into C plus B, product with negative symbol, minus C, minus C, everything will be 0. Now C minus A into C minus B into minus C plus C get cancelled. Left of value is 1 into B minus A value is B minus C. Dear students, in the right hand side what is given? A minus B, to prove that A minus B, but here getting B minus 3, but that's why taking common minus outside. Taking common minus outside, we get B minus A, we get A minus B. Next, to prove that B minus C, but here what is there? C minus B is there. That's why take common outside minus, minus of minus plus. So you get A minus B, C minus A. Finally we got the RHS condition. Dear students, according to the given question, left hand side to prove that A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. But in this one here, B, if you want A minus B, but here what is there? B minus B, reverse will be there. That's why negative symbol taking common outside. After that, here B minus is there, but here what is there? C minus B is there, reverse will be there. That's why taking common minus outside. Already one minus is there. One more minus multiply with negative into negative plus. Here you take common outside minus, we get the element is A minus B. Here taking common minus outside, we get the element is B minus C. This one right as this. So finally negative into negative plus, we get the RHS condition. This is a solution for this question here, sir. I think you don't understand this question. So left of the question we are discussing about tomorrow class. I think who are understanding those two questions, please try the remaining questions. Thank you all dear students.